Hi, I want to talk today with you about the law of alignment and why the law of attraction does not work when you want to get pregnant. I'm Saskia Roell from getpregnantnow.com, and in the last 20 years I've helped so many women in the journey of motherhood, from conception to being pregnant, staying pregnant and birthing their babies and becoming a mom. And in that journey I know there's so many questions, and I've answered a lot of them, and I want to help you with that. And I know that one of my clients came to me, and who became a client, and she said, Saskia, I am doing the law of attraction and it is not working. And I want to share with you why it's not working, why you want to think of the law of alignment when everything is in alignment, and why that would work. Because the law of attraction, if there are deeper fears and there are deeper beliefs down below the surface that you're not yet seeing, maybe it doesn't work. Maybe you make vision boards, or you make dream boards, or you say your affirmations and it somehow doesn't work. And all that time you could have spent like relaxing maybe, or getting more sleep. So I want to give you an example. One of my clients, Michelle, she came to me and she had her first baby, and she said on the first try, immediately they got pregnant to their surprise, and they had their first child. Then she wanted to have her second baby and it didn't work. And she tried everything, and she went to the doctors, and the doctors told her, we don't know, you have unexplained infertility. And unexplained infertility, yes, medically that's unexplainable, but emotionally it's very explainable. I always smile when I hear somebody say that. I'm like, okay, yes, there is an emotional, deeper issue that we want to look at. Now, if you're struggling and you've been doing all these kind of things, and you're now really into affirmations and your prayers and all of that, and I am a big believer of all of that, but if there's deeper fears or emotional issues, it's not gonna work. Now, when we looked at the deeper fears with Michelle, I went into that with her, and at first she was like, well, I don't understand. And then she realized that having a first baby was very different. She was a very different person then, and she was really looking forward, and she thought that would be all easy and all of that. But then thinking of her second baby, she thought, how do I combine motherhood and how do I combine my work? And we discovered that she actually felt very insecure. She didn't feel safe. Does that make sense? So your body has a lot of wisdom. So your body listens. So deep down, there was this undercurrent running that if she had a second child, it may not work. It really may not work. And I see it a lot with my clients that have secondary infertility. You always want to look like, maybe in the first pregnancy, either the pregnancy was really hard, or the birth was really hard, or the time after was really hard, or the baby was sick, or the mom was sick. All these things, they impact. So then you can sit all night and do your vision board and do your affirmations. You might as well better sleep, because it does not work. And with Michelle, we had to look and release the deeper fears and blocks about feeling secure, feeling safe, and how could she handle being a mother of two. And it was absolutely beautiful, because she struggled for 5 years, and then when she could reset her mind and reset her body, she opened up. And yes, then the law of alignment, she came in alignment. And then you can enhance it with affirmations like, what if this is a beautiful, healthy pregnancy, and what if all these beautiful things? Then it's a different story. But unless you go there, it's not going to work. So I want to give you hope, and my wish for you is to become a happy mom. So subscribe to the channel below, so weekly you keep getting my tips and my tools to get pregnant and stay pregnant and birth your baby. and go to getpregnantnow.com. I have 3 short videos where I explain exactly how you can tune in to that number 1 block that may be sabotaging your chances to get pregnant. I am sending you sweet baby whispers. I hope this helps.